Hello, my friends. Today, I want to tell you a story, a simple, soft, real story about mistakes and learning from them. There was a boy named Kabir. Kabir always wanted to be perfect. He wanted to do everything without any mistake. One day, his teacher gave him an important project. Kabir tried very hard, but still, he made mistakes. When he saw his mistakes, he felt sad. He felt scared. He thought, I am a failure. I am not good. I am useless. He went home and sat quietly in his room. His grandfather came, sat beside him, and asked gently, "My son, why are you sad?" Kabir said softly, "I made mistakes. I failed. I am not good enough." His grandfather smiled kindly and said, "Listen carefully, Kabir. Mistakes do not mean failure. Mistakes mean you are trying." He picked up a pencil and showed it to Kabir. He said, "This pencil writes beautifully, but sometimes it makes wrong lines. That is why it has an eraser, so it can correct and try again." He looked at Kabir and said, "You are like this pencil. You are learning. You are growing. You are improving. And mistakes are part of learning." Kabir listened quietly. His heart felt lighter. His eyes became bright. He whispered, "So, it is okay to make mistakes?" His grandfather smiled. "Yes. It is okay to fall. It is okay to try again. It is okay to learn slowly. Just don't stop. Don't quit. Don't hate yourself. Every mistake teaches something." From that day, Kabir changed. He still made mistakes. But now, he didn't cry. He didn't feel weak. He said, "I will learn. I will improve. I will grow." And slowly, he became better, stronger, and more confident, because people who learn from mistakes become successful. Final message. My friends, this message is for you too. If you make mistakes, don't feel sad, don't feel scared, don't feel small. Mistakes are not the end. They are the beginning of learning. So smile, stand up, and try again. Ending line. Thank you for listening. Keep learning English. Keep trying. And always remember, it's okay to make mistakes. They help you grow.